64 wide body car. So you can come back here too and see where our tubs are and our floor. This is the Kaufman chassis tubs, I believe. So this is a custom floor that we make for the Kaufman chassis. It's got the hitting compartment. There's 3 of them. There's one here, and then one here. So if you want to put your battery here or whatever you want to put in the back, there's 3 access parts for you.
So the next question is, can you put this in your pipe and smoke it? Will you find it behind compartment number 1? Nice big area, battery box, cooler box, who knows? Or compartment number 2, a little shallow, someplace nice to maybe pack a little heat. Or compartment number 3. What could we hide in there? I bet you another garment bag for the lady. Have a good weekend, mister. Tell me your thoughts.